Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechW. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a very common issue which is unable to launch Acrobat Pro DC application. So every time you click on Acrobat Pro DC application, it will not open, it will not launch the application, or it will just crash right after opening the application, or it will give you this error message which is Acrobat quit unexpectedly. Click learn more for possible fixes. So in this case, the very first step you're going to try is go to the search button right beside your start button and type Acrobat Distiller. Just type Distiller and it will show up here. Open Acrobat Distiller. It will ask you to sign in. So once it will ask you to sign in, you need to sign in with your Adobe registered email address and the password. So I have got the Adobe account with my Google account. So I'll click on continue with Google. So as you can see, I have successfully signed in, and see, now I am able to successfully launch the application Acrobat. It is open now. So in this case, if you're not able to launch the application, first you need to open the Acrobat Distiller and sign into the Acrobat Distiller, and it will start working. So if it is asking you to sign in, if it does not ask you to sign in, you can move to the next step. I have also created the full video on crash on launch issues. You can visit my YouTube channel and check it out. If this step does not work for you, you can go ahead and watch my full video I have created on crash on launch issue for Acrobat Pro DC. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please let me know in the comment if it works for you, and kindly like and subscribe and leave your valuable feedback. Thank you so much and have a great day. Take care. Bye-bye.